Hey guys, my name is Freedom. Today I'm going to show you how to create the Domino 3D animations by using the Blender 3.6 3D animation software. Now you can see this is a domino effect that's keep on pushing forwards. Right, so start from now, I'm going to show you the step-by-step in Blender 3.6. Now, as demo, in a Blender new project file, I'm going to just press A and press delete to delete everything. Next, I'm going to add a mesh, add a plane. I click here, turn on the texture. I click and press S to make it big. Then next, I will just add a mesh, add a cube. For this cube, I'm going to just move it up. I'm going to use this cube to make a domino. So I click here just to make it be a domino card like this. Then next, I click here. For the plane, you have to apply the physics, rigid body, passive. And then the domino, you have to apply the rigid body, type must be active. Then turn on the texture, the material, just add a color for this. Let's say the first one is the red. Then click Ctrl C and Ctrl V, then press G to move, press Y to just make sure you move along the Y axis. Alright, Ctrl C, Ctrl V, G, Y. Ctrl C, Ctrl V, G, Y. So I'm going to add more. Then I can change the color anytime. It is pretty easy. Alright, let's say I create the next one, Ctrl C, Ctrl V, G, Y. And this one supposed to be a different color. What about if I make this to just rotate a little bit to this side, like this? Then if I try to play, now you can see it already become a domino effect. And of course, I can just copy everything like this. Hold the shift, 1, 2, 3, 4, Ctrl C, Ctrl V, and then I press G, I press Y, then I rotate all, I click this, then again Ctrl C, Ctrl V, I press G, Y, G, X. Then I rotate it. Sorry, not here. I rotate this, move it like this. Now we are going to test the domino. So I just try to play. You can see it already have the domino effect. It is really cool, really awesome. Just by using the Blender 3.6, we can just use the rigid body collisions to just simulate the domino effect, create the dominoes animations by using Blender 3.6. It is really awesome, it is really interesting. I really love this very much, to create the domino like this. Alright, that's all for today. Thank you for watching. If you love my videos, tutorials and sharing, if you feel all these tutorials and sharings are very helpful to your 3D modeling, 3D animation and 3D game developing, you can subscribe to my YouTube channel and also turn on the mini bell and select all, so that when next time I publish a new videos, tutorials or sharing, you will receive a notification immediately. See you in my next video. Enjoy! Happy 3D modeling, 3D animation and 3D game developing. See you!